So I'm gonna solve the J questions after more than 1 year of no study. So if you don't know me, I am Shivan Srivastava, a second year electrical engineering student at IIT BHU. Alright, so it might be embarrassing or inspiring. I haven't touched my J books for more than 1 year. So I'm going to solve the actual J questions with what is left in my brain. So let us start. I'm starting with the Smear's question of mathematics and setting the stopwatch, and let me start. So the first question says the integral minus 1 से 3 by 2 mod pi square x sin pi x dx is equal to, and we have four options. So it was an easy question, and after 5 minutes I can solve this question, and I have got the correct answer 1 plus 3 pi. So let me again start the timer, and now I am going to solve this J advanced question. So let us start. So in this question, an integration is given. I have to find the value of alpha and then put it in this expression and then solve it. So it's already 8 minutes and I'm not able to figure out what I have to do. I have solved this much, but I can't figure out what is going on. So I can't solve this question, and let's move to the next question. So here the stopwatch is ready to be started, and here is the question that I'm going to solve, and here is the paper. So let us start. So I am going to start it, and let us start. So this is a JEE Advanced 2025 question, which is based on differential equation. I have to solve for y and then put it in this expression and find out this value 2ye square by ye square. At first I had done a wrong attempt, and so a lot of time is wasted. So it's been 16 minutes, and after a lot of the calculations that I have done here, you can see I am finally able to solve this question, and I have got the correct answer to be 0.75. So I could solve two questions and could not even approach the third question. I was not able to figure out how to solve it. It is great considering that I haven't touched the books for more than an year. But I should also say that I have taken a lot more time to solve. I have taken about 15 minutes to solve a problem, which is not the case when you sit in the actual JEE Advanced exam. So this is a wake-up call that J is not just to mug up, but you have to practice it. Concepts fade, so you have to continuously revise the concepts that you feel difficult. So I haven't revised for an year, so I couldn't solve in the appropriate time. So in the end, I want to say that you should practice as much as you can, and finally you can easily be able to score a lot. Also tell me in the comment section what type of content you want to see on my channel, and if you like this video, kindly subscribe it and like it.